The winner is Small Change, Kathy Brady.
I have to say, this is very surreal. This time last year, I was at home watching this. What am I doing here?
No.
I have a lot of people to thank. Firstly, Tommy, my producer, the National Film School, who've supported me along the way. I have a serious amount of sponsors. Everyone in Uri, where we shot the film, opened up their homes, their hearts, their wallets. You name it, everyone was willing to help. We have a lot of people in Production Depot.
Everything Production Depot, Culture Ireland, Irish Film Board for getting us out to Sundance there the other week. Pretty much anyone that's helped us out throughout the last couple of months. It's National Film School short. I'd like to thank Anne, Jean, Barry, and Donald, who are here tonight. Wouldn't be able to do it without you.
But most of all, our amazing cast and crew, who never stopped trying for us, and my fantastic partner, Damien Hannaway. Thank you.
Thank you very much.